Now that surface preparation is complete, you're ready to apply Seal-Krete epoxy seal. Outside temperatures should be between 50 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit and should not fall below 50 degrees within a 24-hour period of your application. If you're using more than one can or pail of epoxy seal, be sure to mix them together before painting to ensure a consistent color across your floor. Start by painting the edges of your garage floor. Use a nylon polyester brush to cut in the area with a very thin first coat of paint. Use a roller to extend the thin first layer across the floor. To make the job more manageable, work in small areas and keep a wet edge. Allow the first coat of paint to dry 4 to 6 hours before applying the second coat. Then apply the second coat perpendicular to the first. If you like the look of flakes in your garage floor, now is the time to add them. Working in small sections, apply the second coat of epoxy seal. Immediately sprinkle flakes onto wet paint by grabbing a handful of flakes and tossing them in the air above the section you're working on. Tossing flakes into the air instead of dropping them directly on the floor will give you a more even and random distribution of flakes, resulting in a professional-looking floor. Remember, you can always add more flakes later, so use a light amount to start and add more if needed.